Well, the monorail is not currently going to the Polynesian, so you have to walk on foot, starting off here at the TTC, walking to the Poly, so we can see the construction update. Hi everybody, and welcome to the World of Micah. That's right, we are going to be checking out more construction updates here at the Poly. They've been doing a pretty lengthy construction refurbishment here at the resort, and I've been kind of keeping up with what they've been doing. I've done 2 other videos so far. This will be number 3, showing you guys what's going on in the main Great Ceremonial House and the monorail platform. That's where majority of the construction is taking place. You guys are going to get to tag along. Hopefully we see some updates from our last visit, which was prior to Christmas. So a lot of time has passed. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. Now normally, you take the monorail and it's convenient, but let me tell you, you're missing out if you've never actually walked from the TTC to the Polynesian. This walk is pretty awesome. I always like this guy. Look at his face. And we are almost to the Great Ceremonial House. Now up here seems to be where you can pretty much see everything that's going on at the old monorail station. And here comes the monorail, where normally, right where it passed, was the old station. You can see just a little bit of the platform right there left. Everything else has been removed. Yeah, right up there is where you would walk out. It's gone. It's funny looking at this map. Great Ceremonial House, that's gone. The monorail platform is gone. And now let's head inside the Great Ceremonial House to see what all is new. Hello, tikis. Really not a soul in sight. So yeah, if you walked up there, there's no platform on the outside. And it's still all fogged up over here. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy to think. Right, dude? It's pretty crazy. But hey, our hidden Mickey is still here. Right there. Alright, we're gonna head inside the boutique, see if there's any new merchandise. Oh yeah, got some new t-shirts right here with Mickey on there. Well, we are almost wearing the same thing. Oh, this is new. It's green. Abby was pointing that out. This guy is brand new. And look, a little magnet. A little wooden magnet there. A book. New little frame. Got another new cup here. Polynesian Village on it. I'm liking this new logo thing they've got going on with the font, the colors, and everything. Maybe that's what we're going to be seeing with the new updates. Different colors and everything around the resort. I like the frame. It's a little Mickey figure right there with the surfboard. I like it, and Minnie. Now we saw this the other day at Disney Springs, and they do have a napkin, or cloth. What do you call that? You put it on your stove, you put it on different things. It's just a cloth, like a tablecloth, right? What do you call that, Abby?
Tea towel.
Tea towel. Duh. Where were you, Jose? I needed help on that. There's a little new postcard from Macbeth right here, and a new Polynesian Village Resort t-shirt. I really like this guy. Kind of want this. It would go pretty good with the Tiki collection. And there's a new hat with him on the side. I think Paige and Mr. Morrow could wear this. And these are new too, the Honolulu Cookie Company shortbread cookies. I think they look like little pineapples with Mickey on them. Well, not on the cookie, Mickey's on the box. And that's right, you can pick up your Kona blend from Joffrey's here in the bag. And they have other cookies and sweets and treats over here as well. Look at that. A little shortbread. Another box of those shortbread cookies. I like the Mickey one though, like they're individually wrapped and everything. Seems like there was a lot of new merchandise and stuff in there. A lot more than I thought. Now we're up here on the top level. This whole area over here is walled off, as you can see. Completely blocked off. It's pretty wild. There's no monorail platform out there anymore. Oh, and this is open. Last time I was here, this was completely covered up. It was dark, like really dark in here. But they have opened this back up. It's also so eerie, as there's like really no one here. Like I think I've seen like 4 people here. It's kind of wild. Normally, you know, this place is pretty hopping. I guess the monorail has a lot to do with it. I also think because Ohana's isn't open and Trader Sam's isn't open, it's making a lot of folks really have no reason to come here unless they're going to be staying on the grounds. These are today's featured flavors, the pineapple, vanilla, lime, and lemon.
I'm just looking at the cup.
We're looking at the menu here at the pineapple. Is it Lanai? Lane? And Abby surprised me and got me this. I've been wanting this for a while. It's a little sipper cup. I like it. That's pretty cool, right? I like this thing. We are getting the Dole Whip with it, but I opted to not put it in the mug.
I like the swirl.
We got the swirl, the vanilla and pineapple. Boy. Looks good. Look at that. Man. Well, that Dole Whip hit the spot, and it's cool to see all the changes that are coming here. I like keeping up with it. Pretty big change since the last time we were here. And I'm excited to see what all will happen with the refurb. It's gonna be cool. Nonetheless, some exciting new changes coming to the Poly. A place that I love. And a place that I've never actually stayed at. I've always wanted to stay here. Maybe one day. One day, I'll get to stay here. It'll be an awesome stay nonetheless. One day. And I will bring you guys along. Don't worry. Just showing you guys how empty it is out here in the main courtyard area of the resort. Abby and I have been walking around. I've only seen maybe 1, maybe 2.
Maybe like, I think we saw like 3 families so far. We've been here for probably about an hour. It's a little eerie, but also like very peaceful at the same time.
That was the nicest Dole Whip experience ever.
Yes.
No one was under there.
No, we heard like Hawaiian music. It was
The
really
breeze.
nice.
Every now and then you can hear a monorail and the boat. Like, you can hear the boat whistle over there. I love it. And here we are riding the monorail just so you guys can see. This is what's happening. Look at that. No monorail beam. How crazy is that? Well, we came and we saw updates. Some major updates here at the Polynesian. This was a lot of fun. I'm glad we came out here and saw that. History in the making right there. No monorail platform. But I think our adventure for today has come to an end. Which means it's time to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this episode, please click that thumbs up button. The next time you're here at the Polynesian, tell them World of Micah sent you. What are you guys looking forward to with this whole refurb? And what do you guys think about seeing no monorail platform? Kind of blows my mind. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.